I'm hungry, you're hungry. Welcome to the channel. I hear the vocals. I ain't Oprah though. I don't even know if Oprah knows how to sing. I'm so today we're gonna be making some chicken Alfredo. This specifically is the chicken Alfredo bowl. But yeah, no, I got y'all for life. We're for life for words. So I did include a bread bowl recipe for y'all. And I included like a huge bread recipe for y'all. Just in case you don't want to make bread from scratch. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. But if you don't want to do that, that's like totally okay. Like I understand why you wouldn't want to do that. Uh excuse me. Every single time I'm doing a voiceover, I always got a burp. Always. Like what be wrong? Anyways, this is the seasoning for the meat. Always put some chicken bouillon. It hit every single time. Sometimes it's powder. Sometimes it was crunchy like that. But it's really because it depends on which brand you use. So, what I had was a seasoning bottle. So this is like the easy bread recipe that I said I got y'all with. So I did use the whole thing and I cut it in half because I wanted a huge bread, and I'm not gonna lie. When I made this before, and I was trying to be cheap, so I was trying to cut it into 3 pieces, like all this thing. It didn't do the job. Like the cheese was bursting all over the place. It wasn't as big. It was really flat. Like this one, when you cut it in half, it does right the job. If you want to do all of that, I got the bread bowl recipe for y'all. Y'all know what I mean? Yeah. Like this channel. Comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Y'all, I have so much energy because your girl got so many things planned. Like, I be think I'm trying to do a voiceover for my channel, but I really be doing a rant section. But I think I like it. I don't know, because y'all don't be commenting down below. So comment down below if you like it. Oh, you saw what I did there. Yeah, I know you saw what I did there. But in reality, like, I really do enjoy doing this because it's just so fun. And now, I don't want to just give y'all, like, y'all see the recipe on the screen, right? So I want to talk to y'all, too. Like, I want to talk to y'all while y'all looking at the recipe on the screen. So, like, not only are y'all focusing on what am I saying, but you also focus on the recipe on the screen. Like, I feel like a good go together. Good together. Why can't I talk? But I won't be doing how some TikTok people be doing. And they be having these crazy stories and stuff like that. Because the crazy stories, don't get me wrong, I'm nosy. So, like, I be listening to that. But it's also like I don't want to bring that to my page. Like somebody else's story, my life is really not that crazy. I can give you a life advice though. I'm a really good therapist. Oh, with that being said, while we're on the topic, I swear this isn't intentional. I'm going to drop my first Q&A this week. So we're really gonna be consistent, okay? Like I'm not playing no more games, like none of that. Like I'm not playing no games. So with that being said, in my Q&A, I mentioned how every Sunday I want to drop like a therapy video, not necessarily like a therapy video because I'm not a therapist, I'm not licensed. Before some lawsuit comes to me, I am not licensed. You take the knowledge if you want. If you don't, then you don't. But I want to have like a sit down section with chat every single Sunday. So like while you sitting down, like like I want y'all to send me questions, comment questions, whatever the case may be. If you don't want to comment on my posts, but you really want a piece of advice from me, let's just say you can DM me on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram, on my food page. And yeah, so I want to do a talk down every Sunday, give you advice. Maybe do mukbangs and stuff like that. I sell food on Sundays. So I was going to do a mukbang, go how it's going to be done. But just know I am going to have a sit down thing. So make sure y'all comment down below for next week's Sunday's thing. I'm going to drop the Q&A probably this Sunday. Yeah. So make sure your comments down below. Follow me on Instagram so you can see. So you can be able to DM me. I always do polls. I have so many fun things coming up for y'all. And I'm super excited. Y'all just see me mix this really slow. But I know y'all looking at this like, this is so good. So creamy. Just like me. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. JK, 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 JK. Okay, so you're gonna put butter right on top. It's gonna be hot. You're gonna put some onion powder, garlic powder, oregano powder, or oregano, and just like that. And just like that, your food is done. So this is the plating. So if you buy food from me, you know how it's looking like. And this is really the plating I did. Honestly, I have not been craving any kind of pasta. I think it's because I make it too much for my customers that I don't want it. But point is, a lot of my plating does come from just giving it to my customers. So with that being said, you see how the pasta is sitting. You want to put some chicken right on top. If you don't want, another thing I also do is I do put the chicken in the oven for like a couple minutes. So it can be like fully cooked on inside. Like I like my chicken cooked a certain way. You can't forget the Parmesan. Not ever. Not ever. Not ever do you ever forget the Parmesan cheese. Don't ever, ever forget that. And if you do forget it, you should be disappointed in yourself. This video has so many mood swings and like in a matter of 6 minutes and 18 seconds to be exact. I am such a freaking weirdo. So this is like little bread recipe I was telling y'all about. You know, getting tuned or staying tuned. That's not even a word. The full recipes and the full ingredients, I might have it down below, but if I don't have it down below, it's definitely on my Instagram already. It's already up. I'm gonna circle that, all of that. If y'all want a personal video for this bread, make sure you comment down below and let me know specifically if y'all want a slower version. Here's another up close of the chicken Alfredo. And if you haven't already, like this channel, comment down below. Follow me on all my social media networks so you never miss out on the posts. I post on there way more, but I am going to start posting on here too. So with that being said, thank you for watching. We're doing daily uploads maybe or every other day upload. Anyways, bye y'all.